Imagine this. It's payday. Your phone buzzes. Salary credited. $2,500. You look at the screen and get an instant rush. You tell yourself, this month is gonna be different. I'm finally gonna save some cash. But reality hits fast. Rent takes a fat chunk right away. Electricity and internet bills pull up. Gas and groceries cost an absolute fortune. By week 2, you are totally wiped out and exhausted. Your emotional brain takes complete control. You feel like you deserve a quick reward. So you order comfort food on an app, do some late night online shopping, hit the club on the weekend with the crew, and just like that, your balance hits absolute zero. You look at your screen like, bro, where did it actually go? Hi key, you are not alone. Millions run this exact same hamster wheel. They work hard but stay completely broke. Most blame their salary. Man, I just need a raise. But that's straight up cap. Even high earners go broke. Doctors file for bankruptcy. Light athletes lose fortunes, collapse, lose their mansions. More money doesn't fix a leaky bucket. Your habits do. If your bucket has massive holes, the water always leaks out. You must plug the leaks first. If you don't control your money today, someone else will control your life tomorrow. Part 1. Dopamine as time trap. Modern society is engineered to keep you completely broke. Every single app you open wants the dollar in your wallet. It all starts with dopamine. Work was too brutal today. Your energy is completely deleted. You open your phone to scroll and relax. A Slack ad pops up. Treat yourself. You click buy. The dopamine hits your brain instantly, but it fades incredibly fast, faster than a Snapchat story. The package finally arrives. The hype is died, but your money is gone. This is emotional spending. It runs your wealth before it starts. You need to flip the script. The second you get paid, invest a portion immediately. Before you pay a single bill, pay yourself first. Otherwise, nothing will ever be left. You are trading your life energy for cash. Big corporations, every impulse buy is a hidden tax on your freedom. Big corporations win when you stay broke. Part 2. The invisible leaks wealth, leaks slowly in total stealth mode. $5 daily, coffee runs, random service fees on food delivery, 3 streaming apps you don't even watch. Separately, they look like cheap pocket change. Together, they aggressively drain you. Our $5 daily coffee is $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year invested properly. Over time, that turns into thousands of dollars, but instead, it went to a temporary coffee rush. Small microtransactions are financial terminates. They silently eat your foundation until it collapses. You don't need a massive salary change. You just need to micromanage your small habits. Watch out for lifestyle creep, the ultimate silent killer. You get a raise of $500 a month. You feel like a baller today. 6 months later, you are still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because your baseline shifted instantly. You upgraded the apartment, bought a higher car, payment, started eating out at fancier spots. What used to be a luxury suddenly become your new normal when your income goes up. Keep the gap wide. Invest the majority of any raise. Automatically spend only a tiny fraction. Delay temporary pleasure today to buy permanent freedom tomorrow. Part 3. The credit card illusion. Credit cards make spending completely painless. Paying with real cash actually hurts your brain. Psychologists proved this. Giving away paper money triggers pain receptors in your brain, but sweeping a plastic card or tapping your phone with Apple Pay bypasses that completely. It feels like monopoly money until the statement arrives. Using credit cards for desires is funding today with future income that's interested compounding. Backward, it makes the banks rich, not you. If you lack the cash right now, don't buy it, period. Debt is a trap that keeps you stuck. It forces you to work for your past mistakes. Buying things on credit is literally a fake flex. You are borrowing travel just to look secure. Shopping apps want zero friction. They save your card details for one click buying. Faster you click, the less you think you must build friction. Delete saved card info, uninstall food delivery apps, make spending a hustle. Force yourself to type the numbers every time. Half the time the urge will die. Your brain will say, nah, forget it. Part 4, the 3-step playbook to break the cycle of stress. Follow this simple framework. Step 1, the airbag. Build an emergency fund. Target 3 months expenses. Keep it in high yield savings. Do not touch it unless it's a real emergency, a job loss, medical bill, or car breakdown. This fund shields you from debt. It gives you total peace of mind. Step 2, level up your value. The market rewards value, not hours worked. Take weekends into your own hands. Master data analysis, learn coding or advanced AI tools. You can learn all of this for free online. While others party, you build massive leverage. Promotions follow naturally. For potential doubles. Step 3, let compounding work. Consistency builds massive wealth. Putting away $2,050 a month sounds small. People might laugh and say it's nothing, but they lack long-term vision. Compound interest is a slow burn. Year 1 looks totally boring. Year 5 looks decent. Year 10 looks like straight up magic. Your money starts working for you 24 by 7 while you sleep or vacation. Time beats perfect timing, no cap. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Consistency beats lucky market timing every day. Small drops of water eventually fill the bucket. Part 5, status versus wealth. Wealth requires a mindset shift. Stop trying to impress people. Social media is a fake highlight reel. The guy flexing the brand new BMW might be drowning in massive debt. The influencer renting the mansion might be one check away from eviction. Stop playing square and real. Status is showing off money. Health is unspent money. Use anonymity over clout. Wear basic clothes. Drive a reliable car. Make your bank account a fortress. Looking rich but feeling broke is a losing game. That's destroy peace. Rich is what you see on the outside. Wealth is what you don't see in the bank. True flex isn't a premium luxury car. It is a premium state of mental peace. Stop living to collect temporary likes online. Conclusion, absolute freedom. Fast forward 10 years. Look at option A. You earn way more money now, but you allowed your bills to explode. You are completely trapped in a toxic job with a horrible boss you despise, but you absolutely cannot quit because the bills won't stop. You are a modern slave to your lifestyle. Now look at option B. You have ultimate unshakable freedom, a loaded emergency fund, quietly growing investments. Your money easily covers your basic expenses. You have zero financial anxiety left. If your workplace becomes toxic, you can confidently walk away tomorrow morning. Take a 6-month break, pivot your career, or standing your own dreams businesses. True wealth isn't luxury cars, it is absolute total freedom. Owning your own time, choosing your own schedule, and sleeping peacefully at night. Freedom is the ultimate currency of life. Everything else is just cheap material noise. Outro. The choice of future self is watching you today. Every choice you make shapes their reality. Are you plugging the leaks or making the holes bigger? Next payday change everything. Ask yourself, what can I buy today? Look at the numbers, take a breath and ask, what future am I building? The choice is yours. Start today. Smash that subscribe button right now. Turn on those notifications. Catch you in the next one. Peace.